In this lecture, we are going to look at custom list. So in earlier lectures, we know that when we write 1 and drag this down, then Excel will shows us 1 everywhere. But when we give example to Excel, like after that 1, 2, then 3, and when we drag this down, it will shows us 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in that series. But not in the case of weekdays or month. When we write Monday, like MON or full Monday, or like whatever you need to write, and when we drag this down, you can see it will shows us in a correct appropriate way. It will not, we don't need to give example to Excel for this thing. For month also, like January, when we write this and drag this down, it will give us whole year month. So how is this possible? Like Excel know after Monday we need to write Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Like is there somewhere it is putting some value? Or if we want to do this similar thing to our some other maybe list or maybe any other data, is it possible to do or not? Come on, let's see, we will find it out whether it is possible to make us custom of this list. Okay, let's remove this and let's say we have a 5 department. Okay, like for IT, then operation, finance, HR, and marketing. Okay, let's say we have 5 department, and let's say we have few attributes to this department. Let's say what is the total number of employee. Okay, total number of employee working in each department, or what is their average salary, or what is their number of hours working per day, something like that. Okay, in that case I will continuously enter this level, this IT, operation, finance, HR, marketing. So I can put in the data of total employee over here. Then let's say I move on to some other sheet and I want to put on average salary there. Again I have to go back to this worksheet, copy this label, Control C, and go back to other worksheet again and paste in there. This doesn't seems like a problem, but what if you had to perform a repetitive task where departments are constantly required in different workbook and not in the same workbook which is seen next to each other? So instead of manually typing or copying this again and again to different workbook or worksheet, if we know that this will be going to be required a lot of time, then what we can do is to create a similar list which will be stored in Excel, and whenever we want it, we will just write IT and drag it down. All this operation, finance, HR, marketing will be shown in the list. Okay, so how do we do that? The way to do it is going to File tab at the top. Within the File tab, you will need to go to Option. This last bottom side, you will see Options. Click this, and within Option, you need to go to Advanced. Within Advanced option, scroll down, go to bottom, and once you are at the very bottom, see a button called Edit Custom List. So this Edit Custom List, after so by clicking this Edit Custom List, you can add your own custom list over here. Okay, so let's click on this, and now you can add your own custom list. But before that, let's see what are the lists given over here. So you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all weekdays, month, given in short form and also full form by Excel. Basically, it is being stored in Excel previously. Okay, So now you can add your own list over here. So now there are two ways to create your own list. Okay, first is click this new list, and now you can start typing your data, which is IT, operation, finance. Okay, let's write. So this is the one way we can write, and we can create our list. The other way is by selecting this cells, like click this over here. Click this, you can see import list from cells. You can click over here and take your cursor over here, select the list you want to see in your custom list. Now you can see it has been selected. So after that, what you need to do, you need to click on import, and now you can see the cells having whatever list over here is being shown in this entry. So once you're done with this copying, you can just simply click OK, and now you're done with your list. You can click OK again, and now you can see when you will type, like for example, if I'm going to type IT now and drag this down, then you will see that operation, finance will come. Let's have a look. Yeah, you can see that everything is being copied over here. You don't need to just give example to Excel that after IT operation is there. You just need to write IT and drag this down. It will show you your list. So if you want to now remove this from the list, so what you can do, you need to go to File again, Option, then Advanced, scroll down, Edit Custom List, and you can click this your list, and you can click Delete. But for now we are going to keep this, so I will click Cancel and again Cancel. So let's now go to New Workbook by pressing Ctrl plus N. Okay, here we have got a new workbook. Okay, what we need to do, we need to write just IT and drag it down. So you can see over here also your list is coming. So basically we don't need to make or copy multiple time to our other workbook. We just need to write IT and your list will be appear. Okay, so this is the way you need to do your custom list, and whenever you want, wherever worksheet or workbook, wherever you want to copy it, you can just simply write IT and it will show your list. Okay, so this is the way we do custom list. I hope you understand this lecture. We'll see you in next lecture. Thank you.
So thank you for watching our Excel video series where you're gonna learn lot more about Excel, and if you have anything, just comment down below and we will try to improve our Excel Masterclass. That's all. Thank you. See you again.